everybody, and welcome back to Lining Up Ducks. If you haven't seen any of our previous videos, my name is Rachel and our family has a really big savings project this year. We are selling everything that we own and moving our family of 6 into an RV so we can downsize our lives, pay more attention to what's important, and save very quickly to buy land and build a house. Today's video, we are checking in on our RV fund to see how much we've saved so far in the month of January. Now, we had a little bit in our bank account before January started, but we didn't have a ton. So we are going to count our savings challenge, and that is our ones and change and also anything that we've sold in the house. And then I'm going to fill out our RV chart. I got this off of Debt Free Charts, and they didn't have one big enough for our savings goal, so I printed out two and cut it in half and pasted them together. So we have nothing on here so far, and we're gonna start filling this in today. All right, let's see how much we have saved from our ones and change and the things that we've sold around the house. Now, I have made exact change out of this for our cash stuffing envelope, so you won't see quite as many ones, but this was all saved from ones and change and 3 things that I sold in the house. Okay, there's a little bit of change in there, but for the most part, I have been putting all of our change into our other savings jar, which I will show you in just a minute, which is our savings for our Disney cruise. Mostly it is just dollar bills in here. Looks like my daughter put her half-torn dollar bill in here as well. All right, here we go. 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. $379. All right, everybody, we have saved $379 this month for our RV savings. And like I said, I sold 3 things in our house, none of which were more than $100, and the rest is ones and change. And this is only half of our $1 bills that we saved. The rest of them went into our Disney fund, which I'll show you why I'm not counting. This is the reason why I did not count the Disney jar, is because it is in a Coke bottle, and it is rather hard to get all of that out. But look at all of these ones, and like I said, this is just half. We started with just barely anything in it the month of January, and all of this fluff of $1 bills has been added during this month of cash spending. I'm going to put this cash in my take to the bank envelope so it can go to the bank. Now let's fill in our chart. First, I have to look up and see how much is in the bank account. All right, we're gonna start on the bottom of the chart, and here the big lines are 500. It changes up here because I had to paste two charts together, but we started January with $2,200 in the account, so I will go ahead and put that in one color. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and follow along with us on our journey to tiny living. And how much plus with our $379 saved in cash do we have now? Please comment below if you have any ideas on how our family can save more money. Also comment below if you have any experience living in an RV with a large family. I would love to talk to you. I do want to say that we do not keep this cash in our home, so don't worry for our safety there. This cash is kept in the bank. All right, we have, all right, y'all, that's it. We have $4,500 saved in 2 months for our RV, changing our budget and cash spending only, saving everything Scott makes in his drill pay, and only doing our ones and change saving challenge, as well as selling things around the house. So this is empty. It is time to put the money in the bank and start our next month of savings challenge. Check back with us next month to see how much we save in the month of February, being that this is our no spending month. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. See you next time.